Biomedical Admission Test is a UK admission test to apply for courses in medicine, biomedical sciences and dentistry. The test is for universities like UK, Singapore, Spain, Malaysia, Thailand, Hungary, Croatia and the Netherlands. It is a 2-hour pen and paper test consisting of 3 sections. 2 sections are multiple choice whereas one is writing based section. The score of first 2 sections are graded on BMAT 9-point scale. The written section is graded between the range 1E to 5A. These sections are examined in the months of September, late October or November and February each year. Hi, I'm Siddhartha Sareen and we at Youth for Work will be conducting a session on the exam known as BMAT, which stands for Biomedical Admission Test. Hi, I'm Siddhartha Sareen and we at Youth for Work will be conducting a session on the exam known as BMAT, which stands for Biomedical Admission Test. To know the eligibility, please watch the video till the end. As per the eligibility criteria, the candidate must have passed their 12th from a recognized board and fulfill the eligibility criteria of their respective institute. It must be noted that the candidate can appear for this exam only once in an admission cycle. Hi, I'm Siddhartha Sareen and we at Youth for Work will be conducting a session on the exam known as BMAT, which stands for Biomedical Admission Test. To know the exam pattern, watch the video till the end. The exam has 3 sections in the exam. It is a pen-paper based test. The duration is of 2 hours. The first 2 sections are objective type questions and the third section is the written based section. The first section consists of 35 questions for 60 minutes. The second section consists of 27 questions for 30 minutes. The third section consists of 3 questions where one writing answer needs to be attempted in 30 minutes. The link for the entire syllabus is given in the description below. Hi, I'm Siddhartha Sareen and we at Youth for Work will be conducting a session on the exam known as BMAT, which stands for Biomedical Admission Test. To know the tips and tricks, please watch the video till the end. The exam will be of multiple choice type questions, so proceed with caution. Good communication skills are mandatory. Candidate must attempt questions carefully. As there is no negative marking, attempt all the questions. Take online mock tests to know your strengths and weaknesses. For this, I would recommend the Prep Guru app designed by Youth for Work.